Hey there, I know it sounds simple, but imagine this, a modern job platform where employers can post jobs easily and securely, and job seekers can browse, filter, and apply without friction. No clunky forms, no outdated interfaces, just smooth functionality from start to finish. That's what I set out to build with ToTalents, a full-featured scalable job board SaaS platform. And in this video, I want to show you how it all works and how I pulled it off. Okay, so let's start with the basics. Everyone signs in using Google Auth powered by Auth.js. It keeps things simple and secure for both employers and job seekers. Once you are in, there is a smooth onboarding flow. Employers can set up their organization, upload a logo, and fill out details about their company. And job seekers also set up their profile and they are ready to start browsing. So I wanted the job boarding experience to be as frictionless as possible, and I think I nailed it. So now let's look at the job creation. Employers can post jobs with all the standard fields like role, employment type, location, salary range, and detailed job description. I used TipTap, a powerful rich text editor, so job descriptions aren't just plain text. You can also update your company information or logo right before posting a job, and when it's time to publish a job, everything flows through Stripe. Once the payment is confirmed, a webhook fires that activates the listing automatically. No extra clicks, no admin approval delays. Okay, so jobs also expire automatically based on the selected duration thanks to the background workflows running behind the scenes. For job seekers, it's all about clarity and ease. You can browse all available listings or filter by job type, location, or salary range. I also added pagination to keep performance smooth and let users mark jobs as a favorite to revisit later. And when you are ready to apply, it's just one click. No long painful forms, right? And yes, the platform works great in both dark and light mode with the theme toggle right in the navigation bar. And here is where it gets fun: automation. I integrated Inngest to manage background workflows, so job seekers get automated email updates every 2 days for 30 days, showing them newly posted jobs that match their preferences. And when job posts reach their expiration date, they automatically marked as inactive. This hands-off automation means the platform stays fresh and updated without anyone having to touch it manually. And security was a huge priority. ToTalents is protected by Arcjet, which defends against common attacks like XSS, SQL injection, bot scraping, and brute force attempts, right? And it plugs right into the app without slowing things down and helps secure data integrity as the user base grows. Alright, so if you are curious about what's under the hood, here is the tech stack breakdown. Next.js 15, I used the latest app router with server-side rendering and streaming. It made routing clean and gave me flexibility across both static and dynamic content. And Tailwind CSS for design, I wanted something clean and consistent across app. Tailwind let me move fast while keeping things responsive. shadcn UI, this gave me pre-built components that are actually customizable, and I love it. I didn't want it to reinvent the drop-downs and models from scratch, right? shadcn made them look modern and feel native. And we also have Auth.js, handles authentication. I went with Google sign-in for simplicity and ease of use. It integrates cleanly with Next.js and protects user sessions securely. Stripe, I use Stripe checkout and webhook to handle payments. Once a payment is successful, it automatically activates the job post and logs everything for billing history. Inngest, this powers the background workflows like sending emails to job seekers or expiring job posts after a time frame. It handles retries and errors and has a clean developer experience. So then we have Arcjet. This is my security layer. It automatically detects and blocks bad actors, filter out bot traffic, and guards against attacks like SQL injection or XSS without needing to write extra middleware myself. So then we have Prisma, my ORM of choice for working with the database. Clean schema management, type safety, and migration support. It's been rock solid. And then we have Neon. I'm using Neon Postgres as the database. It's fast and cloud native and supports branching and auto scaling as well out of the box. And finally, I deployed everything on Vercel, both front end and back end. It handles deployments, previews, and edge caching shamelessly. All of these tools came together to help me building something that's not only functional but secure, scalable, and enjoyable to use. Honestly, this project was a deep dive into building something meaningful with real world tools. It wasn't just about creating a job board, it was about building a system that works at scale, that automates the boring stuff and still feels great to use. If you are a developer, feel free to explore the code on GitHub. I have linked it below so you can dig into the tech side. And thanks for checking out my portfolio project. And feel free to reach out if you'd like to talk about any opportunities or projects. Peace.